Another view from Tuburan 360. This is the restaurant. So again, we'll make another 360 degrees view. It's not really completed yet. So may mga trabahador pa ditong gumagawa, and there are some spot here which is under construction pa, like this one. So as you can see, pag ito natapos, another beautiful spot here in Cebu province. Nice. Meron pang ginagawa ron sa ibaba. Ayun o. Ito yung entrance ng restaurant. So left side, ito yung resto. Ayan. So this is the complete view from the restaurant. So meron ditong mga few stairs going down. On the left side of the restaurant is the convenience store, and then on the right side is the coffee shop. So maraming tao sa ngayon. I think this is the right time to visit this place. Ma-appreciates ni view. Maraming tao. So dito kami sa coffee shop. So at this time maraming guests kasi maraming mga sasakyan. Ayan, mga sasakyan. Hanggang doon may mga bikers nakamotor. You can see, daming bike. Mga bikes. Iba-iba. Merong big bike. Uy, meron sila nito. Ayan. Tapos di another view deck yan. Dalawa. Ayun, dami pang dumarating oh. Ayun. Ito yung coffee shop. Maraming bakanting table. Kaya lang medyo mainit ngayon. Kaya yung iba nasa loob. May mga umbrella. Pero wala mainit. Kasi mataas. Pero hindi naman siya ganun kainit dahil mahangin. Okay, ito yung coffee shop. Ayan. At naandito na sila. Ayan, si Mami Lani, si Arnie, si Ipoy, si Riz at saka si Aisen.